I like sketching. But imagine we could take any type of sketches and various inputs into 3D render or illustration. Well, you can. So today I will show you how to use AI to get high realistic renderings from hand-drawn sketches with just a few clicks. And just look at this result. Isn't that cool? Today we are going to use PromeAI. This is AI tool that seamlessly level up your concept generation process. And I'm going to show you this really cool AI tool that really help for your creative workflow. Let's get started. On the home menu, we can explore AI images that people have created, which you can use as the reference generation. Let's go into AI tools. And here we have some AI services. So I'm going to start with sketch rendering, which this helps return any sketches into a realistic render or illustration. So just upload your sketch image. Now we enter a prompt to describe your sketch or what you want to happen in the image. If you click on reference image, this allows you to use another image as a reference. This will mimic the style, color and lighting, so I use an image from this guy because I like the dark green and moody style here. Then select the style in which will be generated. So I select fantasy too. And you can also adjust the scene and mood as well. I set the creativity to about 46. The higher level can generate more imaginary images. Maybe they are not strictly follow the original image. Click on generate. You can see here it only needs 0.3 credit. Anyway, you will get 10 credits for free if you sign to PromeAI. Now choose between the ones that you like. So this one is closest to my vision, and just look at the before and after. Don't worry if this image is a bit blurry because you can enhance either with HD upscaler or download with 4x upscaler. I have tried with architecture sketch, portrait as well, and they are working really great. We also have photo to sketch, which does the opposite of that because it takes photo input into high quality sketch. I always wondering what if my generated images come to life? Well, PromeAI has image to video feature. Simply just upload your image. Now describe what you want to happen in the video. I set the motion intensity to about 50, so the higher value may result a more drastic change in the result. Click generate. Now let's take a look. Now it's time to level up your image with Creative Fusion. This AI tool allows you to generate illustration by input 2 images and blend together between your image and chosen style. So upload your image here. And then select the style in which will be applied to your image. We have many options that you can choose from, or you can upload an image. So I like this style. Now we add the text description to explain what you want to happen in the image. I set the mode to precise and set the intensity to about 65. Click on generate. Now we wait. and click on generate again to generate more images. I like this one, but there is a part that we need to fix. So let's go ahead to erase and replace, which you can find here as well. I'm going to fix the figure glitch using remove tool. Now make selection on that area. Click generate. Alright, let's keep this one. And we also have replace feature that allow you to replace or change or add any objects using text prompt. So once again, make selection on the subject. I'm going to replace it to a glass of tea, which is the text prompt here. Click generate. And choose which one you like. Another cool new feature is consistency model. This tool allows you to produce images consistently just by input a reference image. For example, I'm gonna choose this image as a style reference. Now we enter a prompt to describe the image. Then you can enter multiple text description to what you want to happen in the result. So I write ancient pyramid, Roman statue, and castle. And you can also add 4 more scenarios here. And click on train. We have various generated images with the same style, just like the reference image. And there are more AI tools inside of PromeAI that you can try. So AI image generator, for example, turning text into AI generated image, which I think you are used to this. Then outpainting tool to expand your image. So you can try this for free because they will give you 10 credits for 10 fast generation image. If you do upgrade to monthly or annual subscription, you have full access to all the features and you can use it for commercial and distribution. Click the link description below to explore PromeAI. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.